The spinal cord is comprised of bundles of nerves that relay impulses to and from the rest of the body. Spinal cord injuries result when the bony protection or soft tissue surrounding the spinal cord becomes damaged. This damage can be caused by slips and falls, work-related injuries, motorcycle crashes, and car accidents, among other things. There are two primary types of spinal cord injuries: complete and incomplete. A complete injury indicates a total loss of sensory and motor functions below the injury site. An incomplete injury means that the spinal cord still has some ability to transmit messages to or from the brain. Some sensation and movement is possible below the point of injury with an incomplete injury. The location of a spinal cord injury determines which parts of the body are affected. Injuries sustained near the top of the spine will cause damage that is more extensive. Damage to the spinal cord can also result in muscle spasms, loss of bowel and bladder control, loss of sexual function, loss of sensation, increased risk of infections, and paralysis or immobility. To mitigate long-term effects, a spinal cord injury requires immediate medical attention. Injections of anti-inflammatory drugs may help to alleviate swelling. In some cases, emergency surgery may be necessary. Once you are stable, the rehabilitation process will begin. The purpose of rehab is to help you become as independent as possible. Your new normal daily life may be very different from what you are accustomed to. Rehab will prepare you for this by helping you learn to exercise, eat right, and use a wheelchair or other aids to enjoy your daily activities. Most of your recovery will occur in the first 6 months after the injury. Living with the spinal cord injury can be costly and difficult for both the victim and the victim's family. Spinal cord injuries can be life-altering and in some cases fatal. Survivors of spinal cord injuries face a lifetime of physical therapy, home health care, or home modification due to disability. If your injury was caused by another person's negligence, you may be eligible to receive compensation. In a spinal cord injury lawsuit, your lawyer may be able to recover damages for the following: past and future medical expenses, lost wages and diminished earning capacity, and pain and suffering. Additionally, your family may be able to recover wrongful death damages if your injury results in death. If you or someone you love sustained a spinal cord injury in an accident, you have a right to seek compensation for your injury. These injuries can be severe and require a lifetime of care and rehabilitation. For a free initial consultation with Hilliard, Wahlberg, Cudless, Sloan, and Woodruff, LLP, call 303-571-5302.